What if I told you that your body is quietly giving you clues, small, everyday signals, about how long and how well you might live after 70? Not your cholesterol, not your family history, not even your vitamins. Just three things. They're not high tech. You don't need a lab. In fact, you do them almost every day without thinking. But science now shows how well you do them can predict your future health, more than you might believe. Stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll know what these three signs are and how they can help you stay stronger, steadier, and more independent for years to come. First, let's talk about strength, not lifting heavy weights, not bodybuilding. I mean the kind of strength that helps you open a jar, climb stairs, or lift your grandchild without thinking twice. A Mayo Clinic study found that after age 50, grip strength and knee strength begin to decline. Grip strength drops by around 3.7% each decade. Knee strength, about 1.4% every 10 years. Now that might not sound like much, but over time it affects how you move and how confident you feel in your own body. Low strength isn't just an inconvenience. It's linked to higher risks of falling, longer recovery times, and even a shorter lifespan. But here's the best part. Strength is something you can rebuild. I had a friend named Carol. She started doing 10 wall push-ups every morning at age 65. That was it. No gym, no equipment. A year later, she told me, I feel more like myself again. That's what strength gives us. Freedom. Freedom to move, to help, to live fully. The second sign, it's all about balance, just standing still. Think about it. When was the last time you simply stood with your eyes closed? Most of us don't realize that our ability to stay upright, even while standing, quietly fades with age. The same Mayo Clinic study found that body sway increases over time. With eyes open, movement increases by 6.3% per decade. With eyes closed, it jumps to 10.4%. That means your nervous system, your brain, and your muscles, they're all working harder just to keep you upright. The result? A higher chance of stumbling or falling, even when you're not walking. Want to try something? Stand with your feet together, close your eyes, and count to 10. Feel that subtle sway? That's your body working to stay upright, and it can be trained. Try standing still with your eyes closed for a few seconds each day, or walk heel to toe across the room. Simple routines, big results. And finally, the most powerful predictor of all. Can you stand on one leg for 30 seconds? No support, no leaning. Go ahead and try it. Maybe even while you're watching this. If it feels hard, you're not alone. This one test shows the clearest link between physical ability and healthy aging. In the Mayo Clinic study, balance on the non-dominant leg dropped by 21% per decade. On the dominant leg, it dropped by 17%. Why does this matter so much? Because balancing on one leg uses everything. Core strength, muscle memory, reflexes, brain coordination. It's like your whole body's communication system in action. And when one part slows down, that's when falls happen. And for older adults, falls are the #1 cause of injury and hospitalization. But here's the good news. This is something you can improve. Start small, hold onto a chair, try 10 seconds a day, work up to 30 seconds. One leg, 30 seconds. It could be the single best investment in your future health. So let's bring it all together. If you want to know how well you're aging and how long you might stay independent, look at these three signs. Your strength, your balance on 2 feet, and your balance on one leg. No blood test can tell you what your body already shows you every single day. And the best part? You can improve every one of these, no matter your age. Aging isn't a decline, it's a shift, an invitation to move with purpose. So take that walk, try that stretch, stand on one leg. Your future self will thank you. If this video helped you, tap subscribe. I've got more science-backed tips to help you live not just longer, but stronger.